you ever wondered what really happens when you switch on a light in your house? Or how does electricity travel all the way to your home and powers up everything instantly? Okay, now let's break it down in a simplest way that you get to understand this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that we are all using it at home, but most people don't fully understand how electricity works in your homes. Electricity doesn't just appear in your house. It starts from the power station to the transformer in your area and moves directly to your dashboard. Power station generates electricity using energy sources like water, gas, wind, or even solar energy. From there, electricity begins a long journey to your homes. After electricity is generated, it is sent over a long distance using power lines. At this stage, the electricity is at a high voltage. Why? Because high voltage allows electricity to travel far distances with less energy loss. That's why the big power lines you see outside carries a very dangerous high voltage electricity. But here is the important part. Your home cannot use high voltage directly, so before electricity reaches your houses, it passes through a transformer. A transformer reduces the voltage from high to a much lower level that is safe for home use. This is what we call low voltage electricity. Once voltage is reduced, electricity enters your home through the main supply lines. It first goes into the electrical panel, also known as the distribution board. This panel is like the control center of your home electricity. From the panel, electricity is divided into different circuits. Each circuit powers different parts of your home equipment, like the light, the socket, the air conditioning system, the kitchen appliances. This makes it easier to control and protect your electrical system. Inside your electrical panel, there are important safety devices that include a circuit breaker and a fuse. Their job is only to protect your home from fire damage. If there is too much current or fault, they automatically cut off electricity to prevent fire damage or electrical shocks. Now let's talk about something simple but powerful, which is the switch. When you turn on a switch, you complete an electrical circuit and you allow electricity to flow through the way, and then your device is turned on. But when you turn it off, the circuit is broken and the electricity stops flowing. That's how something so small controls power in your house. To make it even easier, think of electricity like a water. Let's represent the power station with a water source, the wells with pipes, voltage as the water pressure, and switch as a tap. When you open the tap, water flows, but when you close it, it stops. Electricity works in a similar way. Let's quickly summarize this. Electricity is generated from power station. It travels a long distance with a high voltage. Then a transformer reduces it to a safe level. It enters your home through the panel or the dashboard and get distributed to power all your house. All controlled by switches and protected by safety devices. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple engineering explanation. In the next video, we can break things like circuit breaker or how to stay safe with electricity at home. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.